Secretariat, London. Former Chief Election Commissioners and Election Commissioners of India, Excellencies, senior representatives of political parties, distinguished guests, young electors of Delhi, award winners, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all on behalf of the Election Commission of India to the 6th National Voters' Day celebrations here in Delhi. I extend especially warm welcome to Honorable President, who kindly consented to be the chief guest on this occasion. We are indeed grateful to you, sir. Senior representatives of political parties of India, diplomats from various countries, representatives from national and international organizations working in the area of democracy and elections are here as part of our joint commitment to improve election management and democratic practices and build coalitions to further strengthen democracy globally. The National Voters' Day is now an important program of the Election Commission of India. It is so not only in terms of the large-scale empowerment of citizens, especially the youth, by enrolling them as a voter and bringing them into the electoral fraternity, but also on this day, countrywide activities are undertaken for spreading voter education and awareness. As we have gathered here today, millions others across the country are also involved in National Voters' Day activities. I am pleased to inform you, sir, that the National Voters' Day concept has now been adopted by many countries. Here, we will give the voter ID cards to 6 young electors of Delhi who have been recently enrolled in the electoral rolls. They represent millions of others who are similarly being felicitated across different locations in the country. In these days of galloping economic inequality, 62 people owning more wealth than 50% of the poorest of the world own, democracies are turning into de facto oligarchies. In this context, I would like to present you as President, quote, "It would be transformative if everybody voted. That would counteract money more than anything," unquote. Recently, on the eve of World Economic Forum in Davos, a noted economist and former chief economist of the Bank for International Settlement said that the global financial system had become dangerously unstable and faces an avalanche of bankruptcies that will test social and political stability. In this context, I remember Sir Winston Churchill having stated, quote, "If I had to sum up the immediate future of democratic politics in a single word, I should say insurance." That is the future. Insurance against dangers from abroad, insurance against dangers much more near and constant which threaten us here at home, unquote. In this backdrop, Indian Election Commission's focus is no voter should be left behind. On behalf of the Election Commission of India, I would like to assure our chief guest today that we are moving in the right direction to strengthen this insurance called democracy with singular zeal and vigor. I once again welcome you all to the 6th National Voters' Day celebrations today. Thank you.
और अब मुख्य निर्वाचन आयुक्त डॉक्टर नसीम जैदी माननीय राष्ट्रपति जी का फूलों से अभिनंदन करेंगे।
May I request the Chief Election Commissioner, Dr. Zaidi, to please release and then present the first copy of the book, Belief in the Ballot, which is a collection of human stories in Indian elections compiled by the Election Commission of India and published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting.
और अब निर्वाचन आयुक्त श्री अचल कुमार ज्योति से अनुरोध करते हैं, कृपया राष्ट्रीय मतदाता दिवस पर माननीय राष्ट्रपति जी द्वारा प्रदान किए जाने वाले राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कारों की जानकारी दें।
ऑनरेबल प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया श्री प्रणब मुखर्जी, चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर डॉक्टर नसीम जैदी, इलेक्शन कमिश्नर श्री ओपी रावत, फॉर्मर चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर्स, excellencies, leaders of the political parties, distinguished guests, Chief Electoral Officers of the states, District Electoral Officers of the districts, young electors of Delhi, award winners, ladies and gentlemen. As we know that India is the world's largest democracy and election in India are the biggest exercise of democracy in the world. With more than 840 million voters, election management has never been an easy task. The Election Commission has a mandate for holding free, fair, transparent and participative elections throughout the country. The Commission has been making sincere and hard efforts to provide a voter-friendly ecosystem for all age group of voters, be it young, middle-aged, old voters, senior citizens and differently abled persons. The Commission has to facilitate and ensure voting by the weaker sections of the society in a fearless manner. This is a dynamic process which needs continuous monitoring and improvement. Friends, as you are aware, the Commission started mainly as a regulatory authority, but over the last few years, due importance is being given to the role of Commission as a facilitator for larger participation by all the voters of the country. Commission has launched the sweep program throughout the country in the year 2010 to create voter awareness and voter motivation for the casting of votes by all the eligible voters. All the CEOs of the states and the district election officers of the districts have contributed immensely to the successful implementation of the program. The Commission appreciates the innovative and creative work which has been done by all the CEOs and the DEOs of the country. The Commission has been participating and interacting with the election management bodies across the globe. It was recognized that in order to strengthen the democracy in the country and providing a voter-friendly ecosystem for all the voters of the country, it would be desirable to encourage excellence, proficiency, and innovations in the field of election management. From what began as a national awards to be given to the officers from the 4 zones of the country in 2011, the national awards are now being given in 5 different categories. The first category is Best Electoral Practices Awards to the district election officers and superintendents of police and other officials in the field of innovation, voter education and electoral participation, electoral roll management and security management. The second category award is for excellence to the states for their overall achievement and innovations. Recognizing the crucial role of media and civil society organizations in enhancing people's participation in the electoral process, one award would be given to the national media for best campaign on voter awareness, and one national award for the best campaign on voter awareness would be given to a civil society organization. The Commission has noticed that various government departments and agencies have also contributed towards the efforts of the Commission, whether it is during elections or during summary revision. Recognizing the valuable contributions from ministries and departments, the Commission has instituted a national award for government departments, agencies and PSUs for enhancing electoral participation. I am very glad to inform you that for the year 2015, these awards are being given to 3 government departments today. The Commission appreciates and sincerely thanks all the nominees who have worked very hard and put in their best efforts for their participation in the 5 categories of awards. The nominees have been selected from across the country after following due diligent process of nominations, scrutiny and evaluation under the supervision of the competent authorities of the Commission. The Election Commission of India stands committed in fostering excellence in election management and safeguarding the strong democratic traditions of our country. Giving these awards on the National Voters' Day imparts them a special significance. With this, I request the Honorable Rashtrapati Ji to kindly present the awards. Thank you.
We begin with the Best Electoral Practices Award, plaque, citation and cash prize of 50,000 rupees for innovation, which goes to Sanjay Kumar Agarwal, District Election Officer, Gaya, Bihar, for a series of innovative measures for inclusive women's participation, resulting in enhanced women's turnout in the district in the State Assembly election 2015.
राज्य विधानसभा चुनाव 2014-15 के दौरान मतदाताओं को शिक्षित करने और उन्हें वोट देने के लिए प्रोत्साहित करने के लिए सर्वश्रेष्ठ निर्वाचन प्रक्रिया का पुरस्कार संयुक्त रूप से प्रदान किया जा रहा है जिला निर्वाचन अधिकारी पश्चिम चंपारण बिहार श्री लोकेश कुमार सिंह को, पश्चिम सिंहभूम झारखंड श्री अबूबकर सिद्दीकी को 50,000 रुपये प्रशस्ति पत्र और 1 लाख उन्हें प्रदान किया जा रहा है। सर्वश्रेष्ठ सुरक्षा प्रबंधन के लिए सर्वश्रेष्ठ निर्वाचन प्रक्रिया का पुरस्कार गया बिहार के सीनियर सुपरिटेंडेंट ऑफ पुलिस श्री मनु महाराज को प्रदान किया जा रहा है। 50,000 रुपये प्रशस्ति पत्र और 1 लाख।
The Best Electoral Practices Award for Electoral Roll Management goes to Antara Acharya, District Election Officer, Medinipur, West Bengal, for effective electoral roll management and improved gender ratio on the roll and registration of persons with disability, besides carrying out a sustained program to increase voters' awareness.
विशेष पुरस्कार चुनाव प्रबंधन में नई तकनीकों से सुधार लाने के प्रयासों के लिए प्रदान किया जा रहा है जिला निर्वाचन अधिकारी पूर्णिया बिहार के श्री बाल मुरुगन डी को 40,000 रुपये प्रशस्ति पत्र और 1 लाख।
The Special Award for Voter Education and Electoral Participation is presented jointly to Shekhar Channe, District Election Officer, Mumbai Suburban, and Shirish Mohol, Deputy Chief Electoral Officer, Maharashtra, for sustained campaign for people's participation, particularly the marginalized segments, through forging effective partnerships for voter education and awareness.
अगला विशेष पुरस्कार चुनाव के दौरान सुरक्षा के पुख्ता इंतजाम और कानून व्यवस्था बनाए रखने के लिए डेप्यूटी कमिश्नर ऑफ पुलिस श्री शरद कुमार सिन्हा को 40,000 रुपये प्रशस्ति पत्र और 1 लाख प्रदान किया जा रहा है।
Now the awards for excellence to states. The first award for excellence goes to Bihar for a series of innovative measures for voter awareness, purification of rolls, security management, efficient use of technology for grievance redressal, and voter facilitation, resulting in increased turnout. Received by Ajay Nayak, Chief Electoral Officer.
अगला श्रेष्ठ राज्य है तमिलनाडु, जहां नई तकनीकों के प्रयोग से सुविधापूर्वक चुनाव संपन्न हुए। पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे उप चुनाव आयुक्त जो उस समय मुख्य निर्वाचन अधिकारी थे डॉक्टर संदीप सक्सेना और संयुक्त मुख्य निर्वाचन अधिकारी श्री अजय यादव। प्रशस्ति पत्र अपना उन्हें प्रदान किया गया है।
The award for excellence to states also goes to Delhi for a series of innovative measures for facilitation of persons with disability, purification of rolls, voter facilitation, and voter education, resulting in increased turnout during the State Assembly election 2015. The award has been received by Chandrabhushan Kumar, Chief Electoral Officer. We now have the national awards to government departments and agencies for enhancing electoral participation, a plaque and citation. The first recipient is Jivika, Bihar, for promoting electoral literacy among rural women through various activities during the State Assembly election 2015. Receiving the award is Arvind Kumar Chaudhary, Secretary, Rural Development, Government of Bihar.
डाक मत पत्रों को तत्परता से पहुंचाने के लिए राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार प्रदान किया जा रहा है डाक विभाग दिल्ली को। चीफ पोस्ट मास्टर जनरल श्री वासु मिश्रा पुरस्कार प्रशस्ति पत्र और 1 लाख प्रदान किया गया।
The third awardee in this category is the Education Department, Gujarat, for promoting electoral and democracy education among school children and college students through various activities and initiatives. Receiving the award is Anish Mankar, Traditional Technical Education, Government of Gujarat. We move on to the National Award to Civil Society Organizations, plaque and citation on voters' education and awareness. The award goes to the Young Mizo Association Mizoram for spreading awareness through various activities to promote electoral education. The award is being received by Nalbia Zwala and Lal Machwana of the Young Mizo Association.
अंतिम पुरस्कार है राष्ट्रीय मीडिया पुरस्कार। प्रिंट मीडिया में मतदाताओं को शिक्षित और जागरूक करने के लिए प्रदान किया जा रहा है। हिंदुस्तान मीडिया वेंचर्स लिमिटेड, हिंदुस्तान अखबार बिहार संस्करण, सीनियर एडिटर डॉक्टर त्रिविक्रम सिंह, बिजनेस हेड श्री संजय सिन्हा, प्लाट एवं प्रशस्ति पत्र प्रदान कर रहे हैं।
I now request the Honourable President of India to please present the elector photo identity cards and voters' guide to 6 newly registered young voters representing the voters across